Well, hello everybody. We are on our last days of the cruise. So the last 2 days have been sea days. I haven't filmed any videos because sea days are really hard to film videos when we've spent so much time on the ship. So since April of last year, we've spent 34 days on the ship. And there's only so many times that you can do a ship tour, and so many times that you can show the casino, and so many times that you can show the dining room, right? So I decided, you know what, I'm not even gonna do videos. I'm just gonna do my little TikTok short videos and leave it at that. So these are some of the videos that we filmed during our sea days. So I want to show you, we've got rough seas today, and it is very rough. So we're heading towards San Diego, and there's a storm in California, and we're hitting the storm as we get closer. So the boat is rocking and rolling. So I want to show you the swimming pools right now. Okay, the aft pool is sloshing around. Wouldn't that be fun to be in? And that's what's going on at the pools. It's a little rough, rocky, rough. Let's look at the indoor pool now. We are rocking and rolling on this ship. Here's the indoor pool. There's no kids in it. You think the kids will be in there swimming? It's really rough. Anyway, stay safe, everybody. So this cruise, I'm going to give it a 5-star out of 5 stars. It was very good. So we had a great time. 9-day Mexico cruise, and we liked it so much that we booked it for next year. So that'll be a lot of fun, something to look forward to. So that's all I know for right now. I want to say thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that, and we'll see you in the next video. And the next videos are actually going to be on the train going from San Jose to Seattle. Actually, San Jose. So the next videos are going to be going from San Jose, California, up to Washington State. So let's watch the videos. See ya. See you in Funny Pages.